This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Mobile Legends login error on iPhone. So if you're trying to log into your Mobile Legends account but you are facing issues with login, follow these quick solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is check your internet speed. If you're using a poor internet, it may be the reason of you're unable to log into your Mobile Legends account. So you can switch your internet between Wi-Fi or cellular and then check the issue. And the second solution is check your iPhone storage. Go to settings, general, iPhone storage. If your iPhone storage is almost full, it may be the reason of you are facing login error. So all you have to need, offload or delete unnecessary apps and free up your iPhone storage. You can also delete photos and videos to free up your storage and then check the issue. And the next solution is offload the Mobile Legends app. Go to General, iPhone storage, search for Mobile Legends, offload app, offload app, and reinstall the app, and hope this will fix your Mobile Legends login error. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.